So,
yeah. Hello, me. I'm Christian.
He's Christian.
Hi.
And this is episode 13. Yeah.
And we can't show the other one.
Yeah. But we're gonna do this one. So, choose any crayon at all. Christian's gonna show you the crayons that we have.
And Obito's not gonna look.
I'm not looking at all. I'm behind the camera. So which one do you choose?
Okay. I choose something.
Okay. They got it? Okay.
Yeah.
I'll just put it in my hands. I'm not looking. Okay. So, you guys just put it in my hands. Now, when I say go, look into my palm. Okay? And think of the crayon that you picked.
Yep.
Just think of it. Right?
They're thinking. They know I think.
Okay, good. So, is it purple?
I think, yeah.
Purple. Anyway, so on the next, I'll be the Christian Magic Show. I'm gonna literally put a quarter through a table. That's what's happening on the next Christian Magic Show.